Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Amna Tariq reporting. Merry Christmas and let's dive into a special report. Pope Francis opens Holy Tour and celebrates Christmas Eve Mass at St. Peter's Basilica. Vatican City, December 24, 2024. A solemn yet joyous atmosphere involved St. Peter's Basilica as Pope Francis led the Christmas Eve Mass, marking the official start of the Jubilee year 2025. The highlight of the evening was opening of the Holy Door as Porta Santa, a significant ritual in the Catholic tradition symbolizing a new spiritual beginning and the path to redemption. Now let's talk about symbol of renewal and grace. The Holy Door, a massive ornate portal that remained sealed except during Jubilee years, was ceremoniously opened by Pope Francis. This ancient ritual, which dates back to 1423, invites the faithful to seek spiritual renewal and forgiveness as they pass through the door. Jubilee year, observed every 25 years, hold deep significance in Catholicism, offering plenary indulgence to those who participate in the rites with a contrite heart. Pope Francis, joining traditional vestment, pushed open the Holy Door amidst the chants of the choir and prayer from the clergy. As the door creaked open, a wave of emotion swept through the thousands gathered inside and outside the basilica, for some of whom had traveled across continents from this momentous occasion. This year's Jubilee celebration are particularly special due to the extensive restoration efforts undertaken at St. Peter's Basilica over the past 3 years. Team of artisan historians and architects have worked tirelessly to preserve the basilica intricate mosaics, towering forces, and iconic dome. These renovations were completed just in time for the Jubilee, ensuring the Basilica grandeur continuing to inspire pilgrims and visitors. For the first time, advanced digital technologies have been integrated into the Basilica, including virtual reality tours powered by artificial intelligence. This initiative has enabled millions worldwide to experience the magnificence of St. Peter's and participate in the Jubilee celebrations virtually. Following the Holy Door rituals, Pope Francis presided over the traditional midnight mass, which was attended by cardinals, bishops, dignitaries, and pilgrims. His homily centered on the themes of hope, unity, and renewal, aligning with the Jubilee overreaching messages. Tonight, we celebrate the birth of Savior who comes to transform our lives and renew our hearts. Pope Francis said the Jubilee reminds us that even in the face of the challenges and uncertainties, God's grace opens doors of the hope and reconciliation. The Pope also addressed pressing global issues, urging peace in war-torn regions, solidarity with migrants, and care for the environment. His words resonate deeply in world grappling with the social and political turmoil, reinforce the Church's commitment to universal compassion and justice. In the light of the large crowds expected for the Jubilee year, Vatican's officials have implemented enhanced security measures. These include advanced surveillance system, a significant increase in the security personnel, and coordinated effort with the Italian authorities to ensure the safety of visitors. Additionally, accessibility features have been expanded to accommodation elderly and differently. Virtual participation options such as live stream events and interactive online platforms have also been introduced, making the Jubilee blessings available to a global audience. So now we are going to discuss a historic beginning of the Jubilee year. A Christmas Eve Mass and the opening of the Holy Door set the tone for a year-long celebration filled with spiritual, cultural, and charitable activities. Pilgrims around the world are expected to visit Rome, partake in the Jubilee rites, and engage in acts of mercy, enjoying the event's transformative purpose. As Pope Francis concluded the Mass with a blessing for all, the faithful carried home a renewed sense of hope and purpose, ready to embrace the Jubilee call for spiritual awakening. The evening was a profound reminder of the enduring power of faith to unite, heal, and inspiring in a world longing for a peace and renewal. Guys, this was Amna Tariq reporting. Hope you're going to enjoy your Christmas Eve. Thank you so much for watching. For more interesting updates, stay tuned and keep watching Desi TV USA. Allah Hafiz.